Today I'm going to show Tiny11. It's an version of Windows 11. So it's a lightweight version of Windows 11. So it's very useful and very good for old PCs and old version laptops. So now open any browser and just type there as Tiny11 download. And here you can see Tiny11 NTDev free download. Here you can see torrent is there. Just click on torrent. And I just downloaded uTorrent because of this Tiny11. Even I did one video and uploaded in this. Here you can see torrent uTorrent is there. Just I am opening it. And you have to download now Tiny11. So here we can see some of the files has been appeared over here, and now I'll deselect this Tiny11 ISO files. I'll deselect entire things and just I'll select Tiny11 23H2. Because it's not necessary, these all things are not necessary. 4.15 GB which is there, I just selected and OK. And here you can see Tiny11 NTDev has been downloading. See, it is downloading in uTorrent, so make sure if you are having uTorrent, just go for it. Or else I did a video how to download uTorrent and all. So check for downloads. 11 downloaded file in desktop, and I'll open it, the folder, and then Tiny11 ISO file I just kept in desktop, and I'll delete this folder because I required only Tiny11 ISO file. Then download Rufus, open browser and type there as Rufus and just click on it and download Rufus and open Rufus. And after opening Rufus, here you can see Tiny10 16 GB which is my pen drive. So I just drag Tiny11 ISO file and drop in this Rufus, and here you can check for the options: boot selection, partition, and file system, and start. See here custom window installation is there, so okay. Another programmer process is accessing this drive. Do you want to format? Yes. Now I have to select this. So here warning has been erased that your pen drive data will be erased and all. So okay for it. So before when I close it, and now we'll check that name has been changed for pen drive or not. See here you can see Tiny11 23H2 name has been changed from 10 to 11. So now you have to restart your system. Restart. And after restarting, after Windows setup has been appeared over here, accept license, next, and drive partition you have to select. See, I selected primary and next, and OK. Just a moment. And here we can see Windows icon. It has been appeared over here, and see, this is this the region, right country or region. So I have to select India. So whatever place you want to select, you can select. I'm going through India, and yes. English India, keyboard layout, yes. Checking for updates. Just a moment. Who's going to use this device? Enter password. Choose privacy setting for your device. So just go to S, everything select. Yes, accept. Checking for updates. Just a moment. Hi. Getting things ready for you. These might take few minutes. Don't turn off your PC. See here, it has been started, and you can see over there, search for app setting and documents, edge setting, file explorer, recommended, and here we can see some features, and all apps is there, and here you can go through this all apps. So just I recommend this Tiny 10 or 11 for the old version PCs and laptops. So it will support for some features in that old versions. So it is good for them. So hope this video is good and somewhat informative. Please subscribe my channel. Thank you.